It's Kick and Sharkmates, Vinyl Vixen, Slim Shady, and Mr. Thresher here.
You probably can't see him.
Here at Wrap Sesh. He's tall enough. So we're gonna be showcasing a commercial graphics wrap on a fleet vehicle, a truck.
It was a Chevy Silverado.
It was for Kairos Concrete Coatings. He's located here in Arizona. He does really cool epoxy floors and things like that. So anyway, shout out to Kairos. We created a full custom printed wrap design for his business. We were using Carrie from Iron Duck Designs. She just kills branding and business wraps.
Okay.
Oh, he's gonna hug. Okay.
Oh, he's climbing. Oh, God.
Thresh,
He just
I'm
wanted a hug.
working here, Thresh.
He just wanted a hug.
Ow.
Oh, okay. What are you doing?
So anyways, we used Carrie from Iron Duck Design. She kills business graphics and logos and branding. And then we printed the whole wrap on an Avery Matte Metallic Silver SW900. The reason why we wanted to upgrade from a white to a metallic was because this whole design is like this rustic metal riveted kind of look, but it's got like blues.
Color in it, yeah.
Yeah, kind of like an epoxy floor. See what you did there? We printed that on our Muto 1682 SR EcoSolvent printer, and we did a gloss finish. Plus we did some window perf, I think.
Yeah.
And we slammed that wrap out. We had some help from Accelerated Wraps. He came by to help us out for a day. Always super fun to hang out with him. Check it out. We hope you enjoy.
You know that I can't seem to focus when you're getting close to me. We're like a broken record spinning round and round all year. I know that I can't do more. I know that you feel the same. Why do we keep playing all of these games? I don't wanna go, cause your love is what I want, babe. You know that I wanna stay this way forever. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all night with you. You know my friends think that I'm crazy, cause you're all that I can see. I hope that we will make it, cause I'm falling here for real. You know that I can do more, just wanna care for you, babe. Why we keep on playing all of these games? I don't wanna go, cause your love is what I want, babe. You know that I wanna stay this way forever. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all night with you. Up all night with you. This love, we just gotta hold on tight. Cause I know we will be alright, babe. You know that I will miss you if you leave. Cause I love you for the rest of my life, babe. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all night with you. Up all night with you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our episode this week on this awesome custom business wrap. If you guys need business graphics, we do business things and stuff.
We do.
We do commercial graphics, just mostly personal vehicles. That's all
Yeah.
we really showcase.
We specialize in personal vehicles.
We specialize in overwrapping and going above and beyond.
Yeah.
Beyond, to the beyond.
Bet.
Away.
Bed Bath and Beyond. Or, yeah,
Make it for wraps though.
right. I don't know.
Okay.
Reps Clear Bras and Beyond.
There you go. All right, so if you guys need business or commercial graphics, we can do windows, walls, floors, doors, and more.
Whoa.
Fleet graphics, decals, window perf, you guys name it, storefronts. We'd love to help you out. Just send us an email at rapseshaz@gmail.com. If you guys go check out our website, which is rapseshaz.com, we have tons of new merch and gear on our store. We got shirts, we got leggings, we got things, we got stuff,
Stickers.
hats, posters, sticker packs.
Hats are coming.
Super awesome.
Hats are coming.
So we'll post the link below for you guys. And I think that's all.
That's it.
Oh, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Final Vixen Raps and Rapsesh AZ. Okay, bye.
Later.
Ew.
Mike, for some reason, my camera does not work.
Really?
What are you?
I'm not sure.
Are you an alien?
It's always a name or not an alien, it's a giraffe.
I identify as a T-Rex.
It doesn't see a two.
That's what it is.
No. It's these.
Wait, let me see your T-Rex. How's it going, guys? Oh, of course, you're gonna talk when I start talking. That's what you do.
He was doing a yawn.
That's what you do, huh?
He's just yawning.
Okay. What's kicking, Shark Mates? Vinyl Vixen, Slim Shetty, and Mr. Thresher here.
Anytime the bill comes to
A T-Rex is literally like a trumpet. It's like, oh.
You forgot the hands.
I don't even know how to make a T-Rex noise. I can't.
Okay, now we're getting off track. That's what I wanted. He just kills branding and business raps.
Okay.
Oh, he's gonna hug. Okay.
Oh, he's climbing. Oh, God.
Thresh,
He just
I'm
wanted a
working
hug.
here, Thresh.
He just wanted a hug.
Ow.
Oh, okay. What are you doing?
He's gotta be the center of attention.
Get out of here.
Okay, focus. Focus.
Wait, you wanna?
Focus.
You want the Wolverine?
Focus. Insert Love Guru clip right there. Good, put it back in because I love it.
Oh, the Wolverine.
Okay.
your mouth shake when you do it.
Up all night with you.